For 24 minutes, I'm asking about how it started, and every time we go into something else. But I like this style. I feel very comfortable in these conversations, which people just. But that's how you normally talk, no?
Yeah.
You start talking with someone, and it goes anywhere. Nobody's got like, boss, mera agenda hai aaj." Yeah. So first and foremost, not from Kanpur, very much from Thane. That's where we got stalled last time.
Yes.
And grew up so in this side of town, on this side of the woods. Uske baad, how did you get into this line? Before the World Cup. World Cup really...
it happened later.
It happened later. So before that?
So I wanted...
Model.
वापस से पूरी story repeat कर.
ये boring है तो change करो.
नहीं boring नहीं.
Take the life of some other... Take Rekha's life track.
ये थोड़ा सा है ना ये मतलब एकदम भाई रोतलू मरू मैंने ये किया मैंने ऐसे किया and all that. Anyway.
Yeah, but that's good sometimes. वो उसका inspiration है ना. That's why people talk about where they come from, how they struggle and all that. It inspires.
पर मेरा struggle actual serious struggle है बहुत ज़्यादा है.
ज़्यादा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत time नहीं है.
मतलब हमारा exactly इसके लिए तो मैं उधर से change कर रही हूँ topic.
Tell.
मतलब हमारे तो हमारे खाने के वांदे थे. मतलब it was that serious.
So tell if you don't mind, please tell us.
No, so it was. I wanted to be a model. First, I was a teacher. I was a tailor also, which internet has no clue.
You were a teacher and a tailor?
Tailor, yes.
Oh, ये मैं क्या पिया सुबह? You don't get this. The connection is really off. Sorry. You were a teacher?
Yes.
In like a
when I was in 10th grade, that time I used to teach. So I used
primary school ka small kids.
Yeah. And then also from 5th to 9th.
Oh, so you're a proper teacher?
Like proper teacher, yeah.
You did like a teacher's course and all?
नहीं तो I used to take coaching classes तो मैं खुद पहले पढ़ती थी फिर मैं उनको पढ़ाती because I had to pay my own school fees so I had to jama money for that.
Can you teach me anything?
That sounded
creepy. Maybe that sounded creepy.
That sounded actually.
Yeah, okay, sorry, I apologize.
So yeah, that's
so at that point, no idea in your head that you'll get into this line or something?
नहीं तभी तक तो नहीं था but I always wanted to but it was you know it's so fucking difficult to even think and you know from the place I've born and brought up हम तो मतलब सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकते कि you know कि you have to get into this kind of industry because so my building where
there's no connection.
There is zero connection. You मेरे society में तो हम जहाँ पे काम करने वाले लोग होते हैं हम slums में रहते थे तो it was
really?
Yeah, so I've come from that place so it's for us we can't
do people know this?
No, not
that's a fantastic story. You should be very proud.
Okay.
I'm the opposite. I come from money, I'm going to slums. I'm also proud because life is all about birth and death. Now you go this way, traffic has to go that way also.
So yeah,
that's superb. I think it's great.
So that's how.
So you literally came from slums.
Yeah, literally.
And you started on your own, started teaching
everything,
kids, managed a little bit,
everything,
much money. And uske baad you got modeling offer.
Yeah, so I happened to see Gladrags ka. That was my.
Yeah, Maureen Wadia.
Maureen ma'am, I give her all the credit.
She had a good eye. She picked up talent. She could see who's like.
She picked me up from like ऐसा point out.
That's a very important person then in your life because she was able to say, okay, this इसमें कुछ है, and I'll push it.
She picked it and she picked me and it all started from there. And imagine without...
You won the Gladrags?
So I went to top 6 and I still remember मेरे पास portfolio भी नहीं था यार. I don't know, she just picked me. It was so sweet of her.
You never modeled?
I've never modeled.
They had to teach you everything, all that. Modeling is very difficult. Everyone can't do it. You have to walk this way, then walk that way.
Yeah.
Sometimes back again. No, but it's the whole thing of looking and whatever.
A lot.
The whole mannerisms change and all that.
Yes, a lot. But she picked me and I was confident enough to actually pose in front of the camera for the first time. I was, I think, about 16 or 17. That's when I started, long back.
Wow.
Yeah, and it all started from them. Prahlad Kakkar is my godfather, and he's very...
How come all pretty girls, Prahlad, you're the godfather? I want to know if there's a not so pretty girl, if she's also you're the godfather.
This
is not right. You can't choose a godfather. हाँ बेटा आप ठीक है. हाँ बेटा आप ठीक है. हाँ बेटा पीछे आप ठीक है. And this is no way to discuss. Prahlad, if you're watching the show, Prahlad watches the show.
He watches? Yeah. Oh, hi Prahlad sir.
He spoke so much we had to do 3 parts. Because our show is normally 1 hour long and he just kept talking. So we had to stop, then call him back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so we've done 3 parts.
But he talks sense.
He talks sense.
He talks a lot of sense.
But his stories, they start in like Kumon and end in, somewhere in Lakshmati.
But how much you get to learn now when he when he talks?
I've shot with him a lot. I've learned all my English bad language from him.
What?
Yeah. But
So he's the one who chose me in Gladrax next to Maureen ma'am. When I did Kingfisher also, apparently he was there also.
as a judge?
As a judge.
Oh.
So he selected me there also. So that's
Poonam,
why I
you
give
think
my credit to
the
them.
top six mein, but top six mein, if you look at it, most people do really well don't win it. Very often the pageant winner doesn't do as well as the say 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
There's something in that.
It's kind of bizarre,
Very
no?
bizarre, yeah.
Because I don't know where the winner is right now.
And
With
you
all
had no
due
plan-
respect, with all due respect. But
Really?
I don't know where
You
she
remember
is.
her name?
No. But
sad.
with all due respect, I have but I don't know.
What
I
irony
actually.
that is, yeah.
In fact, even when I was in Kingfisher, I think I managed to. किधर तक पहुंची थी मैं? I think top 6, top 7. और वहाँ पे भी I have no clue now where the winner is. वो भी गायब हो गई है. पता नहीं किधर गई.
Isn't it
और maybe
odd?
शायद कुछ कर रही होगी. I don't know.
Okay, no disrespect to the winner.
No,
And
yeah.
I hope you married a rich man also because yeah. Kingfisher. Wow. King of good times. Did you meet Vijay Mallya?
No, but I met Siddharth Malya. If I know
Yeah.
time pe Deepika Padukone used to come.
They were
They were seeing each other.
This was 2007, 8 somewhere there, no?
No, 2012.
12?
Yes, 2012.
Okay, 2012.
Oh fuck! वो लोग नहीं. Oh shit! Were they not together?
I
that
can't
time?
remember, but I think it
don't
was
know.
earlier. I think it was earlier.
No,
but you might
because
be right.
2011 I did
The
my
World Cup
Gladrax.
winning. You did it only in 2011?
Yes.
And straight away,
and I jumped into 2012. I went
and
to
straight away you
Kingfisher.
said, I'll take my...
Yeah, so everything happened.
oh, in that small period it happened.
Yeah,
I thought
only
you were
in
modeling and all
6
before that.
months, 6 to 8
Wow.
months. It was
Wow.
that
Wow.
chota sa time.
What a story.